Today I'm going to show you exactly how to merge cells in Confluence, perfect for organizing your tables and making your pages clearer and easier to read. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to group information neatly in just a few clicks, keeping your documentation looking sharp and professional. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, you'll want to open Confluence. Now you can do this by heading to your usual workspace, or maybe you already have Confluence open in your browser. Either way, make your way to the page or the table where you want to merge cells. If you're not there yet, take a moment to find the right spot. Think of Confluence like your digital notebook, and right now, we're about to give one of your tables a little tune-up. Next, you'll need to select the cells you want to merge. This is a small detail, but it's so important for getting things right. Just click and drag your mouse across the cells you want to combine. You might be merging two header cells to create a bigger title, or maybe you need to join several data cells into one for a monthly summary. Take your time and make sure you're highlighting exactly the cells you need. If you accidentally select the wrong ones, just click away and try again. No stress, sometimes the blue highlight can be a little finicky, so be patient if your selection doesn't show up at first. Once you've highlighted those cells, it's time to find that drop-down arrow. It's usually located just above the table, and it can be easy to miss if you're not used to Confluence's interface. The little arrow usually appears when your cells are selected. Think of it as a secret door to a bunch of helpful options for editing your table. If you don't see it right away, try moving your mouse along the top of the table or even right-click your selection, because sometimes it appears with a little context menu. Don't worry, you're not alone if you have to hunt for it the first few times. Confluence likes to keep some things tucked away, but you'll get used to where these controls are pretty quickly. Now with the drop-down menu open, look for the option that says Merge Cells and click on it. This is the magic moment. When you choose Merge Cells, Confluence will combine all of the cells you selected into one larger cell. This is incredibly handy when you want to bring data together, say, for a big project header that needs to span several columns, or maybe you want to highlight a total at the bottom of your table. Merging cells helps your table look less cluttered and more focused, making it much easier for your readers to follow along. And if it doesn't look right or you change your mind, you can always use the undo button or split the cell back up. So don't worry about making a mistake, and that's all there is to it. Just open Confluence, select the cells, find that drop-down and choose Merge Cells. With this technique, your tables are going to look more organized and much easier for your team to understand. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions or if you ran into any weird issues, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Confluence tips and other useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.